guys, so I've just been to Mini Spares on my way here and picked up some panels. So we have the air post and doorstep panel there. We have this here, which is the door hinge stiffener panel. So yeah, definitely think it was a good idea to replace that. It looks so much nicer. So got that, which now doesn't want to stand up, and then we got the inner air post panel, which rather annoyingly comes with this look. Yeah, that bit there that we spent ages making up, yeah. So gonna have to take that off, which is annoying. I'm trying to work out what this bit is, if that's actually part of the bottom dash rail. It's like sort of an end repair piece, or what it is. I've not actually offered it up yet. I wonder if it's actually just like a bit that sort of, you know, goes inside that supports it. I don't know. So yeah, that's the thing anyway. So that's actually quite twisted. I assume it's meant to be like that. It just doesn't look like that when it's on the car. Well, the old one didn't anyway. So yeah, you also, I don't know if you noticed yet, but Zippy is in. I also got in Mini Spares some HS4 carb gaskets, because it's just not running right. It'll be fine one day, and then the next it'll just be misfiring, and it will run terribly, and it'll cut out when you stop and everything. So I'm going to just take the carb apart and make sure it's all clean and everything inside, give that bit of a service. So yeah, we'll do that. And then my grandma is bringing her car around to replace the engine mount. She's got an R50 Mini 1. So yeah, we'll be doing that, which I won't do on camera. So yeah, I mean, it's going to be not that much we're going to get done today on the project, but yeah, I thought I'd update you on the fact we've got some panels, and yeah, I'll just do whatever I can get done after we've got everything else done that I need to do today. So yeah, we'll come back to you in what is likely to be several hours, and yeah, do a bit of work on this. Hello there. So yeah, it's the next day. By the time I got my car fixed, and then did the engine mount and everything, I just wanted to go home. So here we are, another day. Yeah, we're going to be taking the inner wing off today. Really sad to say it's not getting welded on, as I hoped, but it's probably for the best. Get the doorstep and door post all done first. Be the easier way of doing it. So yeah, a bit disappointed, but you know, what can I do? That's the best way to do it, then that's the best way to do it. So yeah, we'll take off the inner wing and rather gingerly take out this rather large panel, and hopefully the car doesn't just fold in on itself. So yeah, we'll just have to see anyway. So I'm still going to drill out all the I think I'm going to drill out the spot welds along there and on the sill still, if there is really any left, because it's been had a lot of welding done on the sills and everything before, and I don't know if you can see, but it's been like migged along the top and everything, so I don't know how successful it will be just drilling the spot welds out. So yeah, we'll just have to see, because obviously it'd be nice to leave the panels that are already here that we're not taking out just yet, the inner and outer sills. It'd be nice to leave those in place just to sort of, you know, a marker of where it goes. So yeah, we'll try anyway. I might actually just buzz down here and down there for now, and just cut the majority of it out and then take the lip off. That might be easier than trying to drill out all the spot welds and get all this crap off the top. So yeah, just have to see really, but get this inner wing off first anyway. So yeah, cue the time lapse. Okay then, so we have just cut off the doorstep. Yeah, the underside of that is not pretty at all. So yeah, there's that. Was chilling just in there. So yeah, let's have a look in the sill. Grab a light. Well, I've already had a look in here, and I'm very surprised at the lack of crumbs. Oh, and what's that, you're asking? Yep. Look at that, there's the date. 17th of July 2003. So these oversills were put on when the car was about 12 years old, and they've been on there for the last 15. That's jeez, incredible. That and the especially at this side, the sill isn't actually in that bad a shape. Look, even inside, obviously that original naff black paint that you get on Magnum panels is all still on there, and it's not rusted. I'm absolutely shocked. But the original inner sills are absolutely shot. You can just about see down there, I reckon. There's a hole in it, and yeah, it's like really thin, and some little holes in it there too. But obviously someone's slapped some new inner sills over the top of those at some point. So yeah, but I'm very surprised. Even the jacking point is solid. I am absolutely shocked. But obviously you can see there has been trapping a lot of moisture because it's just rotted out the doorstep. Obviously the door posts and everything. So yeah, while the oversills themselves might be alright, the rest of the car hasn't come out unscathed. So yeah, kind of daunting, but we'll just chop out, sort of, yeah, cut this bit that where it's still attached to the sills, and then this whole post isn't going to really be attached to anything up until the bracing, and then up until the dash rail, and we'll cut it off up here as well. So yeah, sorry if I don't see my usual self today, by the way, guys. Found out this morning a member of the local mini club had died, so you know, yeah, not getting too much done, to be honest, but yeah, we'll just push on. Right, we'll cut this up now. Okay, so it actually took a fair bit less time than I was expecting to cut that out. So yeah, it's quite a daunting haul now, isn't it? It's a lot worse than just having the inner wing out. Yeah, this is all still nice and solid though. Doesn't move. Obviously I'm going to have to take this off so the bracing isn't going to be connected here anymore. I could actually get this piece of spare metal I've got down here and potentially just make a piece up to the bottom dash rail just to hold that in place. That might be a good idea before we cut this bit off completely, so we may do that, just help keep that in place. But yeah, ouch hole, here's what we cut out. So you can really see behind this panel now. Looks like that was fairly rotten, slash potentially some filler in the bottom of that. No, it's just rotten, I think. So yeah, it's seen nicer looking metal. So we spent all that time cleaning it up for nothing, but never mind. It's a change of plan, eh? But yeah, that's what we cut out. So sorry, I'm all miserable sounding. So we'll add these to our scrap box anyway. Well, maybe not that big. It might be useful for seeing how it all lines up and everything. Whatever. Not that the scrap box is going anywhere anytime soon. It's just sitting there. So yeah, we'll probably get some bracing made up for there. I'm gonna have to take this bracket off that I made up, obviously, because it's on the new panel, as I showed, I think, yesterday, which will be in the beginning of this video. There it is. So oops, oh well. Yeah, let's carry on doing that now. Okay, so this doesn't seem like it's going to be quite as horrific of a job as I initially thought. Obviously we're going to have to peel away a bit of the quarter panel because that actually sits under the quarter panel. We need to trim that down and trim this post down a bit still and everything. And make this inner air post fit into the dash rail properly. But yeah, it's just sort of clamped together, and yeah, it's not going to be too difficult, I don't think. So yeah, I'm kind of glad I took your advice, guys, and did it this way. So yeah, just got a bit more chopping to do. Obviously it's certainly not going to be welded in today or anything, but yeah, good progress. Hello there, guys. So I thought I would just outro this video you're watching. It's kind of the next day. Someone came around here and was just talking and stuff, forgot to outro really. So yeah, I cut a bit more off the inside that pillar there, and yeah, it's about all interesting that happened as far as I can remember. So yeah, Zippy's in today. We're going to do a quick bit of work on this. Nothing I'm going to record, it's just loads of little odds and sods. It's absolutely caked in snow, which is all falling down onto the floor, making very big puddles. That big chunk just fell down. So yep, that's great. Lots of snow outside. It's bright. So yeah, that's sorry for the wind. Sorry for the wind. Yeah, lovely. Very nice. It's cold. Anyway, so yeah, thanks for watching this one, guys, and I'll start recording the next video now. Bye for now.